Changing your primary email on Silicon Valley Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Silicon Valley Bank website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated space and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes, and check for any confirmation messages to ensure the update was successful. After completing these steps, your primary email on Silicon Valley Bank should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.